Long, long ago, in caveman times, there existed a thing called animations. The pictures painted on the cave walls would combine with the flickering of the firelight in order to create the illusion of the pictures moving. Later, humanity developed a disc that would spin, combining two images to look like they were alternating in order to make an animation. Later still, the first traditional frame-by-frame animation was made. This then took over the film industry with things like Disney and Warner Bros. But what exactly is an animation? Well, animate means the act of imparting life into. So, what animation means is that making it seem like your drawing is alive by moving it. So, today I'm going to be showing you how I animate stuff from 2D animation to 3D animation to animation with real objects using stop motion animation. I'm gonna start off my animation by drawing, and this is gonna make it so that I can edit the drawing in order to make frames. Frames are what you use to animate it, so each frame is gonna be a different picture in the animation. So I'm in Udoodle, and I'm gonna watch a short ad in order to get pro features, and I'm gonna trace around it. So after I've traced around it, I'm gonna press the trim button. Okay? And what the trim button is gonna do is it's gonna cut out the stuff around it. I'm going to remove that shadow of a wing. It's force a habit, but it's not needed for this. I'm gonna circle the wing, and I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna paste it. Then I can adjust that wing accordingly and change its position so that I can get two different frames. I'm gonna go into easygif.com, and I'm gonna take my two images and I'm gonna upload them. Now I'm gonna make a GIF. I'm gonna change it to 40
per second
so we can actually see what's going on. Okay, now I'm gonna save it, download it, I'm gonna send it to myself, open it up, and then I can save to photos from there. Okay, I'm gonna open up Keynote, make a new presentation, close the title stuff, and then there's my animation. So when I'm not fast forwarding it, then it'll look pretty good. And I can move it up and down in Keynote since I forgot to do that in my animation. So here's some other animations that I've made. So I made all these for a game. So this one's drinking water. This one's flapping. This one's gonna eat some stuff. This is probably my most impressive animation. There it is. Lovingly. Okay, there it's throwing up. Now I'm gonna go to another one for the game. And his name is Romulus. So here he is in his entrance stage. He's flapping, and this one's really good. He's ninja based, so he throws a ninja star and eats that guy. He uses his magic powers to drink water. Here he's throwing up from neglect. Oh, here he's setting off hearts by biting. because he's so happy. And then here is the Frog Dragon, another character in my game. So here he does a whirlpool. Here he chomps. It's funny because his leg's attached to his jaw. Here he crashes. See, that one was made in Keynote. Some of these were used using the process that I showed you, and some were made using pre-made animations in Keynote. And they're really easy to get to and use. You just go to the animation tab and then select some pre-made animations. Here he's kicking. Here he's scratching with those big old claws. There he's burying one of his enemies. And there he's scratching some dirt. So next up in my claymation is a stop motion animation. Basically, it's where you move stuff, take a picture. Move stuff, take a picture. Like an animation with real objects. That means you can manipulate clay without getting your hand in the shot. I made this using Play-Doh and my camera using the stop motion animation setting.